What's up guys? Today we are excited and grateful dahil nasan tayo ngayon bro?
Nasa Harbor View.
Maganda yung t-shirt mo ah.
Ay, clue yan. Clue yan.
Bilahit na nakita na agad
Clue
nila.
yan, clue yan.
So today we are blessed and honored to be part of the Great Philippine Overland Loop. Ilang days ba kasi ito bro? Bakit Great Philippine Overland Loop?
20 days, 6 to 7 Ro-Ro transfers, 38 provinces,
8 provinces. Tapos
23, 24
rigs.
cars, rig.
Harbor View for the send of dinner kasi siguro in a few hours the convoy will be going to Batangas, first destination. And nasan tayo ngayon bro? Ano to? Kilometer 0 to?
Kilometer 0. Saan pa ba natin sisimulan Philippine Loop natin? Kundi sa Luneta, Kilometer 0.
Kasi guys, 6,500 kilometers yung 20 days yung most probably ganun yung target na
Saan ka ba excited dito sa loop na to?
ako pinakaano ko talaga Mindanao bro kasi yan yung ultimate test na road trip eh. Pag
Correct.
sinabi mo road trip, Luzon lang kasi we're from Luzon, pero for you to tawid dagat, medyo ibang experience na yon. So
Visayas and Mindanao.
Visayas and
Kasi more
Mindanao.
on beaches and mga urban to places, no?
correct.
Correct. And of course, the culture, the food, the people. Gusto nating experience when we travel, di ba?
Sobrang aligned kasi din nung goals ni Mototestor, the organizer.
I like that.
Yung campaign na to, ang goal nila is not just syempre to showcase yung overlanding na possibilities dito sa Philippines, but also to promote yung local tourism. So as mentioned by Kirk earlier, we are visiting 38 provinces. So that's something to look forward to ever since we started this thing in the Lost Boys back in 2016.
16.
That's our main goal to visit the 81 provinces. And the good thing about that kasi, aside from you're having fun, marami kang natutulungan every provinces or local destinations na pupuntahan
You know,
mo.
one of the best part, no?
Also, tinutulungan mo yung mga locals dun eh. You give business, di ba? Every
Correct,
time
correct.
you visit a place, you give business. Tapos, yun, we are very fortunate and blessed talaga na through our platform, natutulungan namin sila na, I mean, kahit pa paano, sana nakakapagbigay kami ng
Correct. Post natin
Yeah,
sila,
post sila.
and in return, may mga tourists na pumupunta doon for their livelihood naman.
Kaya yung mga, yung mga likes and shares nyo, overwhelmed kami doon lagi. Pero behind our mind talaga, natutuwa kami doon dahil napopromote natin yung bawat destinations na pinopost namin doon sa page.
Correct.
So, thank you first of all sa support nyo guys ever since we started this thing. And sana tuloy nyo pa rin yung pag-share para sa tourism natin. Kasi
Yes.
Pinas muna and napakaganda ng Pilipinas.
Napakaganda ng Pilipinas. So stay tuned guys, and try namin yung best namin na ipakita sa inyo yung ganda ng Pilipinas. Let's go!
Medyo gutom na ako. Let's go!
Let's
Kain
go!
na tayo.
A coalition of decisions whirling in my heart, and my vision, a rescission, has never been this hard. I got wasted when I tasted the
Exciting, gaganda na rigs.
Sobrang solid ng mga rig dito. Nahiya yung clean guild namin. Pero solid ng mga rig dito. Ayan, di lang kita, pero solid. Kuhanan namin ulit pag maliwanag. Alright, see you!
See you guys!
to restrain a heart.
Hi guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Batangas. It's our team! What's up? So, ngayon naglo-load na Batangas Port. Batangas Port.
No dark
Right now, meron pa tayong welcome banner.
Talaga? Oh, di lang masyadong kita pero zoom ko. May welcome banner na nakalagay dun for the Great Philippine Overland Loop. Ayan yung mga rigs sa baba. Almost full and ready to go.
nag-alarm na bro.
Umaga na.
Umaga na. Dito na kami sa Calapan.
Morning guys, dito na kami sa Calapan. Refuel lang kami dito sa Petron. May bounce na ulit, 4 hours to Bulalakaw. Let's go!
Down like a waterfall. You know just how love has made my heart.
Hey, what's up guys? Dito kami ngayon. Day 1, Calapan, Mindoro.
Day 1.
Bro, recap nga tayo. Anong ganap natin kagabi?
Recap, may send-off dinner lang kagabi sa Harbor View Restaurant sa may Rocas Boulevard.
Classic na Harbor View.
Classic. Tapos, ganda. May konting briefing. And then, shoot lang ng shoot kami dun sa Quirino Grandstand. And, syempre, sa Kilometer Zero. Diba? Kasi yun yung starting point ng loop na to. Kaya, ganda. I mean, solid yung start. Day 0 kahapon. Solid na agad. Tapos, we got the chance to meet yung owner ng Fast Cat, which is a major sponsor for this event. Kaya sobrang thankful kami kasi na-invite nila tayo as the boys, Lost Boys, para maging part ng
Trip na to.
trip na to. Venture, sobrang bait pa ng participants na meet namin. Kami lang yata yung ilan lang medyo bata, pero sobrang cool nung mga cool guy, cool dad yung mga participants.
Tsaka, grabe din yung chance, no? Na-mention mo nga sila Mr. and Mrs. Pastrana. Napaka down to earth nila na to the point na parang ang sarap makipag-usap. Parang,
Actually, totoo yun. I mean, taas na level na kasi
Oo,
CEO,
iba.
owner, and
medyo starstruck ka na syempre may konting ilang at first, pero nung
pagkausap mo
na parang parang sarap kausapin buong gabi.
sila willing to interact talaga,
Correct,
diba,
correct.
no?
Napaka down to earth. Wala kaming masabi sa kanila. And bro, napaka rin yung initiative nila to bring a priest, di ba? Oo,
Nagdala sila ng pare para i-bless tayong lahat bago yung trip.
Grabe. Sobrang ayun nga sabi niya ni Kirk, kasi mga ibang level na to yung mga taon to, pero grabe, wala, hands down. Tapos yung mga ibang participants din, napaka-cool,
Pakabait.
down to earth ng mga kasama natin dito. Nakakatuwa lang din na, kasi to be honest guys, at first syempre medyo first time namin na sumama dito, may konting parang ilang kami at first.
Parang isip ko mga ngapapayata tayo Pero in all fairness,
Yes.
naka-vibe namin agad. Hindi pa namin may mga iba, madalas na namin nakakwentuhan.
Correct.
Kaya kasi alam mo isang maganda dito, bro, we share the same passion kung ano yung ginagawa
Correct.
yung pagbiyahe. New tayo to overlanding, pero I mean the point is to go out and enjoy, to explore.
Correct. Yung
Diba?
narinig nyo pala guys, ito very important to sa trip na to, na realize din namin kasi we're a big convoy. So 23
cars.
So imagine that guys, kung wala kaming communication or comms na radio, two-way radio, mahirap din. So galing, well organized.
Yes, hands down to Sir Tim Tuason of Mototesto. In all fairness din, galing, very well organized. Pati support, smooth lang
Smooth lang din.
Siguro ito pa isang magandang point, bro, lalo na pag nagta-travel ka ng ganito, lilipat ka ng ibang islands. Based sa experience natin kagabi, sobrang smooth lang din tumawid to other island. Kasi using Roro, di ba? Very good example, yung Fast Cat, very smooth lang yung process, and maganda yung Roro. And then the most important thing, safe ka makakarating, di ba?
Don't push me any further to the edge, to the edge. Just come into the wildlands of my mind, of my mind. I never want to be in love again, again. I don't need your loving, I just steal your heart and cover myself. I don't need your loving, I don't need your loving, I just steal your heart and
Guys, touchdown na tayo, Katiklan. Kung makikita nyo, lumalabas na yung mga rigs sa Roro. Tapos diretso na tayong Kalibo. And dun na tayo magpapalipas ng gabi yata, or ata. Ayun na sila, lumalabas na sila, guys. Ayun, Katiklan Port, Boracay, sobrang lapit na. Hintayin ko na lang si Brian, palabas na siya. Si Brian. Let's go! Oh, let's go! Saan next?
Boracay, joke lang. Kalibo.
Kaliba, let's go, Kalibo!
I think ano na to last road trip for the day ba?
Ata. If not, if hindi Kalibo, Iloilo.
Yun ang ano natin, itinerary natin.
Sorry, medyo wala pa kaming tulog maayos. Di namin medyo na lost na kami sa itinerary.
Pero good weather. Guys, nandito tayo sa Cholet Camp and Cafe sa Barangay Agbalogo. Medyo hindi ko sure kung Katiklan or ano na to, Kalibo, pero medyo papasok siya and paakyat. So, check natin sa taas.
self. I don't need your loving, I don't need your loving, I just steal your heart and I cover myself. I don't need your loving. No, I don't. No, I don't. I need your love. I need your love. I need your love. Don't need your love. Don't need your love.
What's up guys? So, saan na tayo? Saan ba tayo naabot ngayon? Kalibo Aklan after around 300 kilometers ata or 400 and two inter-island crossing via Fastcat.
Dalawa ba?
Dalawa. So, from day 0 kagabi, tapos dire-diretso kami biyahe ng Batangas. From Batangas, tumawid kami ng Calapan via Fastcat, Roro. And then from Calapan, so nag-road travel kami, land trip,
Bulalakaw.
Bulalakaw. From Bulalakaw, another Roro.
Fastcat.
Fastcat ulit, papunta ng Kalibo. Katiklan.
Katiklan.
Then,
Ganda.
when we arrive here at Katiklan, dito na kami nagkaroon ng side trip.
Side trip kami sa Ibahaw?
Bahay, oh.
Sa Ibahay, something sa Kalibo. Parang mangrove forest, something ganun. And may isang Cholet Cafe in
over the hill.
Makato, Aklan. Yan, Makato,
Over-
Aklan. Maganda.
Over the hill siya. Technically guys, we can say majority of day 1 is more on travel.
More on traveling.
Land and sea travel.
Siningit lang yung mga side trips.
May side trip lang. And then now we're staying in Calibo.
Dito kami sa Calibo, Training Center. Dito kami magpapalipas ng gabi. And I think tomorrow mag-explore tayo. Tama? Oo. Anyway, ayun. So, pero may isang nangyari ngayon sa pagtawid namin ng Bulalakaw going to Katiklan. Tinor kami dun sa vessel nila.
Which is, hindi pa namin experience
Hindi pa namin experience kasi usually passenger kasakay mo yung sakyan, tintay ka makarating dun sa destination. Pero ngayon, tinur kami dun sa buong vessel. Sobrang bait nung Fast Cat crew. Pati si Captain nakausap namin, nakakwentuhan namin, dami namin natutunan about the vessel, about Fast Cat.
Sinabi mo si Captain, meaning nakapunta kami dun sa bridge. Yung tinatawag din ng bridge.
Parang cockpit
Control
or bridge.
center nila yun, nandun. So,
Ganun.
guys, medyo it's a long day for us.
Kung mapapansin nyo, pagod na kami.
Yes.
Haba rin yung biyahe namin. Mag 24
So,
hours na ba?
One day down, many more to go.
One day down.
19 more days to
19
go.
more days to go and too many adventures are waiting.
But,
And
ayun, sabay lang kayo guys. So, subaybay lang kayo.
subaybayan nyo lang
Dyan
yung,
lang kayo.
yung mga episodes ilalabas namin from this adventure. Sana masubaybayan nyo para ma-share namin sa inyo yung once in a lifetime experience na to and yung ganda ng Pilipinas.
Tsaka what we want to do here is to show you guys na hindi na imposible talaga mag-inter-island na travel na nakakotse.
Correct.
Kasi dati, airplane tayo, ganyan. Iba kasi mag-travel na nakakotse.
That's why it's called Overlanding Philippine Loop, di ba?
Correct.
Philippine Overlanding Loop. Kasi you can travel, lipad ka from Manila to Iloilo, to Calibo, to
Madami.
wherever. Pero, that's it eh. Di ngayon, let's say from Manila, travel ka to here, Calibo, pero, ay, mag-ano muna tayo, kain muna tayo sa Mindoro ng anong delicacy nila or yung madaanan mo, may experience mo lahat. Yun yung gusto namin iparating dito na mag-travel sa Pilipinas, sobrang doable by land and then inter-island.
Through Roro.
Through
which is
Roro, which is
Fastcat.
Fastcat, na isa sa mga Roros na available na pwede nyo i-take.
Kasi recently lang naman nagsimula yung masasampa mo yung kotse mo tapos magta-travel ka ng inter-island.
Correct.
I think very recent lang. I mean,
Few years.
a few years back. Pero dati kasi wala. Kumbaga may mga super ferry tayo, passenger lang. Pero hindi yung sasakyan natin, nakakarga natin sa ferry, tapos or sa vessel, tapos lilipat tayo ng ibang island.
And right now, that is very doable. Ano
Sobra. Minimal fee lang, tapos ganda ng craft eh. Yung parang ka nasa aeroplano.
Safety ka. I mean, safe ka. From point A to point B, I know, safe ka makakarating and comfortable ka din.
Alam niyo kung anong pinaka ina-enjoy namin sa land travel or overlanding, yung inter-island. Dala namin lahat ng gamit namin, walang kahirap-hirap.
True.
Backpack kami dati, backpacker style kami, tsaka kami nagsimula eh.
Dati, ang dala namin backpack lang, kasya na lahat doon, yung hammock namin, tsaka mga buong gamit mong pang ilang araw. Ngayon, lahat ng extra.
Lahat ng extra, lahat ng essential. So, thankful kami na na-experience namin to lahat. Ayun sa...
Sobrang thankful tayo kay Mototesto for
Mototesto
inviting
for
us
us.
and to Fastcat
Fastcat.
also for giving us the opportunity to enjoy this, you know,
campaign, adventure na to.
adventure event na sobrang solid. Day 1 pa lang yan, tandaan nyo guys.
And syempre, thank you Lord for keeping us safe. May you continue to guide us kasi mahaba-haba pa itong journey namin. And keep us all safe para enjoy lang kami and makita nyo lahat, ma-showcase namin sa inyo guys yung ganda ng Pilipinas. Yun lang, peace out, good night.
Yun lang guys. Good night. Bye-bye.